Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how to delete TikTok account. So head over to TikTok and from there to your profile icon from the bottom right side of your screen, and after that simply head over to these three lines from the top right side of your screen and click on settings and privacy. And now at the very top you can see we have account. Click on that, and here you can see at the very bottom we have delete and deactivate or delete our account. So click on that and you can just choose anything that you like. Either you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. Just wait for a couple of seconds and it will load up. As you can see we have both of these options in here, so click on delete account permanently, and that's a pretty simple process. You can just enter your reasons and fill some menus. So after doing that your account will be deleted. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.